Hi, I'm Amy Korenik. I'm in the Sculpey Design Studio. Let's take a look at the Liquid Sculpey Bakeable Medium Glam Metallic multi-pack. So in the pack you get all three of these 1 ounce colors. There's a deep bronze, a trendy rose gold, and a gorgeous peacock pearl, which is my favorite. They each have the innovative twist cap, so if you open it completely, you're going to get a wide, strong flow for filling molds. If you tighten it down partially, you can control how thin you want your line to be. That would be used for writing or lettering or even tiny design elements like you see in this frame. Once the liquid is baked, it becomes super strong and flexible, which makes it perfect for jewelry items, home decor, paper crafting, marbling on wood or on canvas. The possibilities are truly endless.